Hey, today I'm going to show you exactly what I did to make over $10,000 within 2.5 months on Amazon KDP. You're probably wondering, is it too late to get started? Is Amazon saturated? Yes, it is a little oversaturated, but the techniques I'm going to show you will allow you to gain a leg up on your competition and succeed. It is not too late to get started. There's these amazing tools, ChatGPT and Midjourney, that came out in November, and these are pretty much practically free. Don't skip over anything in this video because everything is essential. If I can do it, then you definitely can. You just need the knowledge and you need to, one, get started. So the first thing we're going to do is research. The first tool we're going to use for that is bookvault.io. There's a 3-day free trial, but I'm just going to go ahead and log in. And the very first thing that I did was use KDP Spy. Now you're gonna need to use Chrome. In the right-hand corner of Chrome, you just open it and you're gonna probably have to sign in. But if you type in whatever keyword you're looking for, let's just say for this journal for women, you're gonna hit start and it's gonna start analyzing whatever keyword that you typed in. You go over to keywords. I went to the top, and as you can see, the highest searches are for journal for women. That's really popular. So let's start there. So this is the book that I found out. I'm gonna keep this page open because we can utilize this. All right, so the second link you guys will need is to go right here to kdpinterior.com. Now, most of the stuff on here is paid products. For instance, if you wanted to create, I don't know, a coloring book, $3.99, and it's free for commercial use. And so, pages are already created for you. You just create the cover. But we're gonna go to freebies. We're going to download the Lined Pages Journal, 120 pages, okay? Download that. So now we are going to go and create our cover. Just go to midjourney.com. When you get here, you will see a different screen, but you'll have to sign up. And then from there, you go to explore. So Midjourney is an artificial intelligence bot. It creates art just from a text prompt. That's how we're going to create our cover. And with this, you need Discord. Okay, go to discord.com, sign up. When you go to Midjourney, you sign up, it will connect your Midjourney to your Discord. Just to kind of give you guys an idea, what I do is I can go up here and type in like floral. I found this and I really liked it. So I clicked on it, scrolled down, and just wanted to check out the other inspiration pieces, and I settled on, so I clicked on that. I really liked this as a design. I went up here, clicked these 3 dots, I hit copy prompt. Now what this is going to do is it's going to take this particular photo and make something similar. You will go into Discord. For the sake of keeping this video short, you can find tutorials on how to sign up for Midjourney and Discord and use them. But backspace prompt, copied my prompt that I got, space bar, and hit dash dash AR for aspect ratio 3 semicolon 2, and it spit out these 4 images. So I liked image 1. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. I hit upscale 1. So I'm gonna hit open in browser. I'm gonna right click, save image. And now that we have that, we need to upscale that image in order to use it for our cover art. So we're gonna go to imgupscaler.com. Okay, we're gonna upload that. We're gonna go to 400%. We're gonna hit start. That looks beautiful. Okay, we'll hit save. Now we need to put it together. Now the website we're gonna use for that, Book OW. Okay, we're gonna go over to KDP Cover Template Generator. We're gonna do paperback. And for this book, you do whatever size you want, but let's do 6x9, page count, 120 pages. PDF, you leave those. Email address. Okay, we're gonna hit email cover template. We're gonna go to canva.com. We're gonna open up this. We're gonna get our cover size. We need 12.520 by 9.250. So we're gonna go to custom size, we'll go to inches, 12.520. I'm gonna create new design. We'll upload this template. We'll bring it in, drop it in, and then we will upload our art. Get this in again. It just kind of replaced my template out of nowhere. Okay. And then we're going to change the opacity on this just so we know right here where the front cover is. Okay. I'm going to go to text. Let's look for something that's handwritten. Let's go here. Let's type in notes and resize it. Maybe like right here. Let's do notes. Okay, once we've done that, I'm just gonna keep it super simple for this tutorial. You can add whatever else you want. I like that. I kind of want to just put it here. Okay, when we are done, we will head to download. Okay, it has to be a PDF. And from there, we're gonna go to Amazon, KDP. Okay, I'm going to sign in because I already have an account, but you're going to want to create one and go through all the steps. I'm going to hit create. Okay, we are going to be uploading a paperback. Here is where we will need the second AI tool for, because we want to create a book title and a subtitle. This is the title of this book. So we're going to go to openai.com. You're going to sign up for an account. So I'm going to give it a set of instructions. ChatGPT is a nice little robot that will do the work for you. Okay, let's go back to KDP. And since they tell you how to create a perfect description, let's just copy that. And I'm going to tell ChatGPT to basically create me the perfect Amazon title and description using this set of parameters. And it's basically going to be the instructions that I copied from KDP Interior. And I'm going to say, just let me know if you understand. It's going to say, I understand. And then from there, I will go back to the listing, copy their title with their keywords, put that into ChatGPT and say, this is my competitor's title. Create me something similar using the rules that I pasted prior. This is the reason why we're using AI. There's no way that you or I could have came up with something like this so quickly. So, and the good thing about this is once you type these out, it'll save everything over here to the left. This is our book title now. Okay. With the difference, we'll just change this to 6x9. I then asked ChatGPT to help me come up with a great subtitle. Okay, reach the maximum length for subtitle. Now for the author, you come up with a pen name. If you know what a pen name is, it's just like an alias to go by. I recommend that. I just made up something whimsical, wordsmith press. I don't know if that's actually taken, but you might want to check and make sure yours is not. As far as the description, I just went and copied the actual description from the listing. I'm going to then put that into ChatGPT and tell it, this is my competitor's listing. Please create me something similar for my product. I also told ChatGPT to create bullet points and format it for me. All right, then I paste it into the description. And then I'm going to go back to KDP Interior because I liked their instruction on how to create great long tail keywords. I'm going to put that into ChatGPT and I'm going to tell them to create me long tail keywords that I could use, 7 of them to be exact. And I'll go ahead and put each one of those in, and then we'll work on our categories next. And for this, we'll just choose the best option based on what we designed. Design, general, something like body, mind, and spirit. Okay, does your book classify as any of these other type? Low content book, yes. We're going to publish without an ISBN. Set publication date, we don't need that. Black and white interior with white paper. Okay, we're going to use that. 6x9, no bleed. Matte, you can do matte or glossy for the cover, but I like matte. Upload paperback manuscript, that file that we downloaded of the interior. We're going to do the 6x9. Then our cover. This will show us what all the pages will look like inside of the journal. And this will tell us what it will cost to print. It costs $2.29. So let's just say we want to do $9.99. It'll take 2 days for this to become live, but we'll hit publish your paperback book. Okay, and now we can see what this will look like. So what you want to do is you want to get this link and you want to post it to Facebook and ask your friends and family first, purchase it and review your book. If you want to lower the price to $2.89 or $2.29, whatever the printing cost is, so that basically you're giving that book away for free and it's costing them just $2 or $3, then you can do that. Having reviews will look great for sales, and it'll help you out as far as ranking in Amazon system. Another great way to get feedback is to go and try to find an Amazon seller group and just make friends with a few people. Basically, you'll buy their product, they'll buy yours, and you guys will swap reviews. Now, the most important part, once you get those reviews, you will absolutely have to spend money on advertising. It takes money to make money. I spent around $1,800 on ads. Now, don't let that freak you out. You don't have to spend $1,800. I started with 50 and then I went to 100. I went to 200 after that. It's just a snowball effect. The biggest thing is to start with something, because when you see that it works, you will then start finding money, because you will find it, and then you'll dedicate that. Whether you're borrowing against credit cards, personal loans from a bank, personal loans from family or friends, not eating out for a month, not smoking, drinking, gambling. You want to select the category for Amazon auto ads. You want Amazon to find the customers for you. What I did was I started with $10 a day, 9 to 18 cents per click. I eventually moved up to $25 a day. Once you get going with the ads and people start leaving you reviews and feedback, then you will climb organically in Amazon's ranking. Hey, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Like and subscribe, because I will have more of these videos in the future.